Well, hello campers, it's Brandon here in Miracle RV in beautiful Fort Lupton, Colorado. I'm going to do a video walkthrough for you on this Crusader Lite. Just got it in. Fifth wheel, awesome. Let's go take a look. Bunk room, second toilet, pretty cool. So Crusader Lite by Propane Tank Manufacturing. Let's go ahead and stick on the outside, then we'll walk on in. So coming up to the front, we want to point out why they call it Crusader Lite. And that is because it is only 93.38 dry weight. So under 10,000 pounds, under 9,500 pounds. You might hear a beeping. I got a battery box hooked up so we can get some lights. See your 50 amp power cord, spot for your battery. Now at Miracle RV, we do include the battery with your purchase. Docking lights, portable solar plug-in, trickle charge those batteries, and a little light out here. Coming around the driver's side, we have a 30-pound propane tank. Now there are two of them, one on either side. This is perfect for those longer trips, those extended camping vacations, plenty of fuel for your heat and for your cooking. Now this has an auto leveling system, pretty cool. What's great is it's a one-touch auto leveling, turn it on here, and then additionally on the inside there's a touch screen to have access. So two different access points for your auto leveling. Let's look at that huge pass-through storage. You can see your hose for your outside spray down, fresh water fill, city water connection, your docking station, outside of your water heater, outside of your furnace, and your big 50 amp plug-in right there. You got some drains underneath up front, which is nice. Coming around the back, you can see a couple slide outs. You have your bedroom slide on the driver's side, one of your living room slides. What's really cool is having this second door on the back side. Now this is direct access to your second toilet, to your back bathroom and bunk area. We'll see more of that when we go inside, but it does have a screen door. Nice to point that out. Coming around back, you can see it is pre-wired for a backup camera. Nice tinted windows. There's your spare tire. And you even got an outside kitchen here. So wonderful outside cooking area. Your 2-burner propane system. Nice little Dometic slide out with some good storage space behind it. Some nice prep space as well. You got your little snack fridge or beer fridge. And then come on up here. As you can see, there's the ground control. I did turn on the auto leveling, so you got two jacks here in the back, and then the two landing gear up front, which is perfect for such a light, small fifth wheel. Here's your other slide that is in your living area. This is on the passenger side of the coach. Check out this awning. Really good size awning. Did bring it out so you can take a look at it. What I love about it is that it's got the nice LED light strip underneath at night, so shade during the day, cool light at night, and then you got your Bluetooth stereo system, your two outdoor speakers here. Coming across here, you can see the other side of that pass-through storage. Lots of room. I love how they have a outside coaxial cable plug-in plus your USB charging. They're pretty neat. Look at that light, nice and bright. You have a little D-ring for your pet. Pretty cool. Here's your other 30-pound propane tank on this side. So two 30-pound propane tanks. Let's go take a look at the interior. So coming up to the door, you can see your nice solid steps, points of contact with the ground, pretty wide door too, which makes it really nice to get in and out. Oversized grab handle, really sturdy. So 33 BH. Hey, one of the most important camping accessories, your bottle opener. Screen door. Coming up, let's take another look at that. You can see your dry weight, 93.38. And then your hitch weight, or your cargo weight, cargo weight is 21.23. Wow. 2,000 pounds of cargo you can put in here. So coming into the coach, right up here you see your auto leveling system. This is nice LED touchscreen. Thermostat, some lights, and your control center right in front. Perfectly positioned because this is how you open up your slide outs here in the living area. And your electric awning. You got your lights here. Awning lights, water heater, water pump, and your vents. Coming across here, you see your kitchen area. Lots of counter space, which is very nice. Your deep stainless steel sink. Your wonderful Furrion. This must be the chef collection. You have a really nice 3-burner propane cooktop, as well as a nice propane oven. Range hood that is vented over the stove. Lots of good cabinet space. Perfect storage, and as you can see, we got the lights plugged in, nice LED lighting. Now what's really neat, this actually comes with a tire pressure management system. This is one of the options we bring them in with. So pretty cool. Here it is right here. Plus, Forest River does give you a year of roadside assistance. when you purchase one of their trailers. So pretty neat, have the peace of mind. So you got your cooking area, you got your sink, nice counter space, nice L shape, and then you do have your refrigerator. Really good size, having a separate freezer and fridge. So dual slides here in the living area really open it up. As you can see, it's very, very spacious, and of course is a fifth wheel, nice and tall. Now I love this LED accent lighting. I hope you can see that underneath. Let me see if I can turn it off and turn it on. Look at that accent lighting. That is cool. And then you do have accent lighting up above the slide out. Pretty neat. Huge U-shaped dinette. Benefit here is it turns into a big bed for anybody else joining on your camping trip. Lots of nice windows and a good sized slide. Now I did pull the TV out so you can see if you're sitting over here on the couch, you can check out the TV. And it does come with the sound bar and TV, nice mount that swivels, and of course look at all that storage above the TV, below the TV, above your couch. Now this looks like a bed. Looks like you have a pull-out bed as well, so really a ton of sleeping area in this coach specifically. One more look at the kitchen, then we're going to go check out the bunk room. Alright, let's walk into the bunk room. So this is cool. This is that door on the outside on the driver's side of the coach where you can come in, have easy access into the restroom, plus access to the bunk room. So this is perfect when somebody wants their privacy, when somebody needs their own space. I love how you get the vent above the bed as well as the window. This counter space is perfect up here, a little shelf space. You can throw a TV up here. You see your plugins right up there, plus the USB charger for cell phones. Check out how huge these beds are. I like how this one has the window that opens, so you get a lot of good fresh air coming in. And then of course some storage underneath. Huge amount of storage, plus the storage you get here. So really a lot of room in this coach. Very well designed. This is one of our more popular models that we stock here at Miracle RV. Coming into the bathroom area, as you can see, this is your second bathroom. A very good size. You have your toilet, and then you have your sink and vanity, and the all-important fan above the toilet. So this is your back bunk room. This is one of the biggest selling features, one of the best parts of this coach. Coming back into the living area, let's make our way up to the bedroom. So coming up into the bedroom, you see on the left, here's your primary bathroom. So lots of good storage space, as you can see, straight ahead, and a very good sized shower. I love having that bench. Sink, vanity, come across in here. Lots of good space. I love that headroom with that skylight. Look how deep those are. I hope you can see that. You can fit a ton of linens and towels in here. Lots and lots of space. Going into the master bedroom. Look at that. Walk around bed. You do have another slide out as we saw on the outside. This is your wardrobe slide. So that is out all the way. Here's your second air conditioner. And lots of storage again. I love those lights in the back. And I really like the storage shelf space you get around the bed. So look at that. Let's look this up. Wow, that is cool. Very, very neat. So lots of good space back here. Lots of good lighting. Perfect to read. Perfect to enjoy after a long day of camping, hiking, and fishing. You see your antenna up there. Check out this wardrobe. So you got a big wardrobe space. I love how you get the drawers as well as the hanging rod. Look at that. It's all open. One huge area. So really this camper is perfect for those longer trips. Perfect if you need a lot of storage or need a lot of sleeping area. And check that out underneath the bed. Wow. That was very easy to do. I got it up with one hand and can get it down with one hand. Let's take another look at this camper. One last look here. So